We're going to explore Ras Al Khaimah, Rodriguez.
Wadi of the Giants, Hidden Oasis. A trip on next weekend. Cheers. We're halfway through it. I'm gonna explore the trail to see if it's pet friendly, if it's an easy level for everybody, if we can camp and set a picnic and everything, and yeah, most importantly, fun. Of course it is gonna be fun. And apparently it's amazing. Oh, no.
Impresionante. Nunca habíamos estado allá.
No, ni siquiera yo.
Mi amor.
Es al lado de Musandam. No, las montañas, cielo.
Me hubiera encantado ir contigo, mi amor. Perdóname por no ir, pero
Sí,
mi cuerpo
te preocupes.
de verdad no lo siento. Sí, me levanto, me siento comodísima. O sea, estoy malita.
Just bumped into 3 Marathis. They told me to be careful with the rain, so I need to jump on a boulder or something if suddenly the water gets like very crazy, because there are a lot of floods, sudden floods here in the region, especially this mountainous area. You know, like unpredictable. I'm doing the short hike of the oasis. Apparently there's one that starts over there in the peak of Jabal Jais. But yeah, you have to go down and then go back for the car unless somebody drives down and waits for you. This is very beautiful. I'm positive. I'm gonna have a little picnic, like a simulation of what's meant to be for next week. Wow. I ate the whole grass already. Or it's slippery. This rain is a blessing, actually. Just border up a little sideways of Camber. Oh, look at this beautiful detail. Humanitarian act. I reckon it's over here now. Look at this. marvelous thing. Wow. It's been like 1 hour, 10 minutes so far. It is fun, but it has its difficult bits. Very nice. I think it's a good one for everybody. Wow. My God. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. Oh my God. Wow, divine. That is amazing.
El futuro ya pasó. El futuro ha pasado. El cielo se pixeló. Todos se desconectaron. El cielo se pixeló. Todo se desconectó. Ahora en vez de los gorriones, una bandada de drones por cadenas anunciaron que el futuro ha pasado.
I think I'm gonna stay over here. Just a little bit of cover from the rain, or maybe in those palms. This is beautiful. Apparently there's another trail. Oh wow, this moment, it's so cool.
Que el futuro ya pasó.
Something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I've got to beware. Think it's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Solo hiking be like. Stay there, motherfucker. I think we can bring dogs for Sebastián and Laura. It's quite accessible for everybody from our group. Chilly now. My sweat is getting dry on my body and I'm not hot anymore. Thankfully I brought a tea and a cool fleece, so it's very cozy. This tuna is magic, my God. And this beer promotion in African and Eastern. And this tuna is lifesaver all the time. At home and now here. Pretend that you are being filmed. Pretend that your water is beer. So you cook for yourself. It's only a tuna can. I cooked for myself. I made a porridge, some eggs. I already ate them. What else? I brought coffee. And then some energetic bars. I'm freezing right now. Needless to say, pick up your own rubbish. It's cold everywhere. It's crazy. Only the boys, they ran away. It seems like they cut the trees, cut the palms, and they burned them for them to look like people. Look at that over there. You see, from afar, it looks like a shepherd or something. Perfect hanger. Está haciendo frío, ¿veis?
Seems that there are some
Entre sudor y frío.
inside this place.
La vorágine.
So we're gonna leave now. Pick up the rubbish. خلاص. Thank you, Hidden Oasis. Highest peak to UAE, I mean, in the valley. المحطة القادمة هي جبل سيف. Way down in about 28 minutes. Of course, returning is quicker. I still hope there's no flood, no new temporary wadi. Damn, this is quite the swamp. It was amazing, it was great. Oh, pretty much the recce for the hike that we're gonna do next week. I went on my own, evidently, and next week we'll have some more people, inshallah. The reason is my wife's birthday. We're planning to stay there a couple hours, chatting, having some picnic, and maybe right now, once I reach the car, I'm gonna check Jabal Jays because it seems to be very close from here. If that's the case, and it's worth it, there might be a chance of all of us coming after the hike next weekend here and then to Jabal Jais for a nice view and a final karak. That looks quite amazing. What you see like in Nepal, Pakistan. Or the Tibet side. Videos of Hunza Valley in Pakistan. Hunza, I don't know. Urdu, right? Yes. Sorry guys, but I really wanna. Pakistani fellas, fairy meadows, the base camp of the Nanga Parbat. That's what I have in mind so far. I don't know if I'm too ambitious. I spotted my car. Oh, finally! It was not that tough, but the warning of the water kept me kind of alert. So yeah. It was a bit on the humid side, wasn't it? But it was amazing. I think I'm gonna get going right now. My wife is at home. She was a bit sick today. I'm gonna cuddle with her a bit. Look after her the rest of the day. But, in my defense, this recce is for her birthday event. You know? So I'm here on her behalf, so that's kind of looking after her. Hello. How beautiful. GoPro stop. Have over here some figs. Got my porridge. Mi amor.
Mi no me avisaste, mi amor.
Acabé de llegar, mi amorcito.
Oh,